Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you can just go ahead and check your followers and click here to search for their username. And if you don't see their username, it means that they unfollowed you on Instagram. And now there's an app that you can use to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So just go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Follow Meter for Instagram. And don't worry because this application is available in both iOS and Android. So just go ahead and install this, and you just need to log in your Instagram account, and there you can now check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.